Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with Prosper, beginner guide step by step clearly. First, visit the Prosper website and create an account. Provide your personal information, including your name, email, and financial details. Once your account is set up, log in to access the budgeting tools. Start by exploring the dashboard, which gives you an overview of your finances. Click on the budgeting feature to begin setting up your budget. Define your income sources and enter your total monthly income. Next, categorize your expenses, such as housing, transportation, and food. Estimate your monthly expenses for each category and enter the amounts. Review your previous spending habits to ensure accuracy in your estimates. Once you've input all your information, review your budget summary. Make adjustments if necessary to balance your income and expenses. Use Prosper's tools to visualize your budget with charts and graphs. Set financial goals, such as saving for emergencies or paying off debt. Track your spending regularly to stay on top of your budget. Utilize Prosper's reminders and alerts to keep you informed about your finances. Check in at least monthly to adjust your budget as needed. Celebrate your progress and make adjustments as life circumstances change. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.